extra. Today I am making a paper ball. Let's see. This is the A4 sheet paper, and you take the correct position with A4 sheet paper, and this way and this good. Okay. Yes, I did. And open this one and this. This is the triangle with two triangles with near. The one side only. Look, this is this 9. And this way, and this is the next, and stand. Look, that. So look this one. Done. Look this way and look at this diamond shape and square shape. And what this and what about this position with yes, diamond shape and now I make the